Pump It Up is a product that I've been working for many years because it was very complicated to find and to develop a small pump like this one that can fit in many dehumidifiers. The goal was to make a product that fit in many products, and not only mine products. So it was very compact, powerful, and it needs to be strong because many people use it as a real pump, external pump, and it's so it needs to be strong, and it's a good success because it's quite acceptable in terms of pricing.
And it's even very easy to install. You just put it in water and you're done, so to say.
Anyway, you need to read the user manual, because if you put the small bubble down, the product will not work properly. So it's also a product that even if it looks very simple, it's quite technical because there's the water sensor and it needs to be up to work properly.
Og det faktisk veldig enkelt å installere den. Vi har en film hvor vi viser hvordan du gjør det.
Stemmer.
Det bare å putte ned, men ja, du må putte den riktig vei. Sugekoppene skal ned sånn at de sitter ned I bånd, og da har du gjort det riktig.
Da har du gjort det riktig, ja. And also the good thing about it is that it fits all the air&me dehumidifiers, but you can also use it in other dehumidifiers like the Arida range and so on. So you can have it in lots of different products.
You can even use it in Sandefjord.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. It's really a product that we sell very well.